Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to drive from Harborview to Bull Bay, and it's going to take about 4 minutes because of the Southern Coastal Highway. Now we are going around the Harborview roundabout and we are heading towards Bull Bay now. We will go over the Harborview Bridge, and that is officially where the highway project starts. So to get from the airport, the Norman Manley International Airport, to the roundabout is about 5 minutes, and then from the roundabout, this is a Harborview roundabout, to the Bull Bay roundabout is another 5 minutes. So this is the bridge, so this is where the highway officially starts. So this is what you call a game changer for this side of the island. To leave from basically Kingston and get to Bull Bay so easily is going to open up Bull Bay. And it's actually working. It has started. A lot of developments are going on. Now, in the past, all the developments were going towards St. Catherine, that side of the island. But now, because of this highway, Bull Bay is going to become like a suburbs of Kingston. It's practically going to become a part of Kingston, technically speaking. It's still a separate entity, but it's just so close. So 5 minutes and you're there on highway quality road. So it's just a matter of time before Bull Bay is going to get an urban center. Morant Bay is getting one. Port Antonio is getting one. Those are parish capitals, very big, but Bull Bay has such potential. And this is the highway. It's the dual carriageway, or the concrete barricade, starts around the corner. And the entire stretch of road from Harborview to Bull Bay is going to have street lights. See, some are installed already, over 400 street lights. Now, the government has really gone all out for this side of the island. And you're going to have stoplights. Job well done. And China Harbour Engineering Company built the road. Job well done. And they even have buses. Oh, that doesn't look like a bus stop. Why do the buses? This is the government JUT. See the bus stop there? Government JUTC bus just stopping the road, block up the lane. It's unbelievable. Not to mention taxes. We'll talk about that in another video. So you can use a timestamp or the video to say when we reach Bull Bay. Or the Bull Bay roundabout, where they put up a very nice sign. So I'm assuming that is with us from the Harborview roundabout to the Bull Bay roundabout. Less than 5 minutes. See, we're talking about the taxis just stop in the road, block off the lane. Wow. I'm hoping that they put cameras on some of these light poles so that you can monitor the road. I haven't seen any cameras yet, but I'm sure I heard they were to be installed. Okay, so now this is the Bull Bay roundabout. Literally 4 minutes from Harborview to here. 4 minutes. Now we're going to take a look at the new Bull Bay sign. So I'm assuming out here is going to be a park. Is that grass or dirt? It's not grass. Look like dirt. Anyway, it's going to be a park out here. I guess we have to give them some more time to finish it. And that is a very nice Bull Bay sign. Have to really admire what's going on this side of the island. The potential for and even hotels are coming over here. Luxury apartment units are coming over here. I have to really say, I did not know St. Thomas was such a beautiful parish. The coastline is amazing. I really didn't know. And I'm sure a lot of people didn't know either. When you think of St. Thomas, you used to think of that awful, awful, awful drive to get over here. I mean, anyway, all that is history now. Oh, yes, they have trees. We'll keep you updated on the park. Hi, guys. Thanks for taking a tour with us today. We just wanted to show you how easy it is to get to Bull Bay. Alright, guys. Enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.